Synnch is an online platform where your R&D can be uploaded, your activities can be reported, and your expenditure can be captured, so that you've got then a direct link to your R&D consultant to make your claims more compliant, to make sure we get you as much money back through the program as we can, and to make sure that we don't miss anything. No activities are missed, no expenditures missed, and we get it to the end of the year where we simply lodge your claim through the click of a button, rather than a long drawn-out process of weeks of drafting documents, doing research, and taking too much of your time.
Turned out the point of difference with Synnch was massive, just with the daily recording that we could do rather than once every 17 months trying to recall what we've done in the past and gather all of that information was challenging and tedious.
It's good to know that it's been developed in conjunction with the government. We know that we're doing things in a compliant way, so that when we get to the end of the year we know that we've done the right job and that we've also done it on the way through and we've done the detailed work.
So one of the great things about Synnch is the dashboard. We can track all of our projects and whether we're on track with budgeting or if we're going over budget.
The dashboard will give you very important information about your R&D project. It'll tell you your budgeted expenditure to your actual expenditure. When you land on the dashboard, quite simply, we ask clients to lodge a new activity. We ask them what project they're working on and what activity they were working on. We jump into the reports page and we start filling out what did you do. We ask very simple questions about what you did. We ask you who did it. We ask you what did you spend money on, and we ask you to upload a photo. Once you've saved this report, that is then time-stamped and lodged within Synnch, and it will stay there for as long as the R&D project lasts, and it will stay there even after. So after we've had our consultation and we've done the onboarding process, they then jump into their reporting. They then have that instant access through the chat room for their R&D consultant to help them, so we don't leave them unsupported. We help them to learn how to do their activities, how to enter their reports, and we do an on-site visit and make sure that their entire team understand how to use Synnch. We'll spend half a day with your teams and we'll just make sure that everybody understands what to do, and more importantly, everybody understands it's not meant to be time consuming. It's meant to be a quick report. It's meant to take no time out of your week so that they can just focus on doing their R&D.
It's so much easier having the reminders to get on and do it every week. That's really important because otherwise it just never makes it up the to-do list. We've got such a lot going on that having some degree of automation, but also the support we get from the guys at Synnch, really helpful. And a really great way to make sure that when we get to the end of the year, basically the work's done.
You can save a significant amount of money with Synnch. Synnch makes it so that you're spending perhaps 10 minutes a week tops to do your reporting, to do your recording, to do all of your expenditure tracking, as opposed to taking time out of your staff's day, taking time off your factory, taking time off your production. Synnch makes it so you can save all of that lost opportunity cost. It's more cost effective, it's more efficient, and at the end of the year everybody has a much better experience, rather than currently we're dealing with some pretty frustrating struggles.
I've been recommending Synnch to quite a few people because A, it makes me look really good because I'm passing on such a great business benefit to them, but also it saves you time. It gives you a comfort that part of the money will be coming back in and you've ticked all the boxes.
It is satisfying knowing that I can trust and rely on a platform that my team can easily use.